we are with the painted covers. What we want to do is position this with our freshly painted, now dry side down, because we're going to tape from what will become the inside of our cover. And as I just explained, you want to make sure that the rounded corners, let's adjust that for you to see, those beautiful rounded corners, top and bottom, are on the outsides of your project away from the spine. All the corners here butting up to your spinal piece are all going to be the square corners. Once you've got that in place, push them close together tight with no gaps and line them up along the top and along the bottom, because this tape is going to hold your book in its permanent position. Find your piece of professional bookbinding tape, and what we want to do is position it dead center, top and bottom, and side to side. It's going to cover up these holes, but we'll come back when we're finished and punch those through so that we can use those holes for threading our elastic. Okay, what we want to do is peel the yellow carrier paper away from our sticky binding piece and bring it about halfway down. Line it back up the way you wanted it, and I would tell you maybe what, a ½ inch, ¼ inch from that top, centered side to side, and I get a bit of it down, and I want to just flatten it there, get out any bubbles that I see starting, and then I'm going to slowly peel this down and press in and smooth. That isn't coming back up, so you got one shot getting it right, my friends. There we go. Smooth it out, get away any bubbles, make sure it's nice and set. Now look at that beautiful binder coming together. In our next step, we're going to paint the inside just like we did the outside, including covering the tape. And I want you to make sure you come in with a little bit of paint and paint along this edge so that it's beautiful when your book is finished, okay? Just run a bead of paint there, cover the tape, and finish out the spine. So go back and grab your 3 colors of paint, the black, the copper, and our gold. Grab your paints, grab your brush, and paint the inside of this cover the same way we did on the other side. Lay down your black, crisscross it, cross hatch it, just get it on there, then to your copper, and then to your gold. Once it's dry, join me again, and we'll go on to the next step, which is getting the papers into our journal. And then finally, what I think is the most exciting part of our project, we're going to get around to the final decorating of that cover with this beautiful Baroque stencil from Indigo Blue.